Alright, YouTube. Just left the gym. Just keeping up with the sticking with the plan, with the therapy and all that. You know, rehabilitating myself from the, from a gunshot wound that happened, years ago. You know, I'm still trying to keep myself up. Staying ahead of the game. We staying ahead of the game. Period. But if y'all like to, if you like the video, hit the like button, share, subscribe. Just trying to show a little motivation to the ones that got injured, broke a leg, shot, fell down a ladder, whatever it is. In a wheelchair, trying to get out the wheelchair, whatever. You do it. I'm a living witness, so I did it. All right, y'all. Peace. What it do, Facebook? What's cracking? This is what I'm gonna tell y'all. This is what I'm gonna do. Oh, the motor, y'all, is at the machine shop. Took a break on that thing, man. It's tough. It's tough. But I still do. Got the cam right here. I got that Holly oil pan, retrofit oil pan. Still there. What else going on? Let y'all take a look at the whip. Still there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that 350. I'm thinking about giving it away to a subscriber once I hit a certain amount. What y'all think, man? Think I should just do a giveaway the 350 motor. Once I hit say 1,300 subscribers, I'm gonna give away that motor. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out all the details later, but that's what I plan on doing. Let me give y'all a good look at it. Ain't nothing I'm gonna be able to do with it. Check it out. Nothing wrong with the motor. I got the trickle charger on here right now. It's all plugged up. So it should start whenever I decide I want to come out here and start it up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna give away all of this with it. The sniper system and all that. Yep. I'm just gonna buy me a whole new fuel injection to go on the LS motor. So, but I gotta get them subscribers. Once I get them subscribers, this motor going to a special subscriber who comments and keeps in contact with me and watch the videos, know exactly what's going on. So, this motor is for the giveaway. Check it out.